My name is Gail and I'm a homeowner in Vaughan, and just recently we contacted Sosna to come and help us renovate 2 full bathrooms. And I knew Sosna was the company that I wanted to come and do our bathrooms because we had used them before in 2019 and we had quite an extensive renovation. Then we did the whole kitchen, the whole down floor, new flooring upstairs and downstairs, the laundry room, our powder room, and everything was perfect and on time, no problems. So I knew when it was time to renovate our master bathroom and our guest bathroom, it was going to be Sosna. I didn't have to look around, look for any comparison fees. I went straight to them because I knew they're so dependable, so reliable, and do really good work. They always start you, like I meet Andre, and he's the owner, and then Roman, he's the whole project manager, so he kind of supervises. And he came in and laid out a plan, and then I met with Olga, who was an incredible designer, and some days we're deking around Vaughan, going to different places, looking for countertops and the granite tops, and for the towel racks and all the lighting, and she has such a great way of putting it all together. So I listened to her. She was involved with the original work in 2019, and then she did it again. And everything was on time, everything was perfect. Vitaly, he was a site supervisor, and we were able this time to stay in the house, just in different bedrooms. And so I'd be leaving for work, and I thought I could always get ahead, but he was always there at 6:45. I'd leave at 7, and we'd have a quick chat about what would happen during the day, and everything was fine. So they were really good at communicating how things were going, and they were done even ahead of schedule. In summary, I really want to thank everyone at Sosna for coming back a second time, and I want to reassure anyone who's looking at home renovations to really consider Sosna, because we had great response and great work done back in 2019, and then once again with the bathrooms. I don't think that there's anyone out there in this area that can do such a wonderful job. They're so reliable and so dependable and really nice. They are great people to get along with. So I want to thank everyone on the Sosna team, everyone, for coming to our aid when I needed our bathrooms redone, and I encourage anyone who wants to have any work done, renovations, consider Sosna. So thank you very much.